Hello, good morning, everybody. Wilmer here again on your screen, and would like to welcome you back to the channel. All right, hope you guys doing well on that side, wherever you are right now. So, in today's video, we'll be working on this beautiful Porsche 911 GTS. So, this is the 2025 model. Right, in this one, I'll be showing you the full process of windshield protection film installation. From the initial cleaning and preparation all the way to the final installation. Alright, as you have seen right here, I'm cleaning the windshield. You know, proper cleaning and surface preparation are some of the most important steps in the installation process. A well-prepared windshield ensures better adhesion and a cleaner finish and long-lasting protection. Now, you might wonder right now, you might ask yourself this question. Do I need the windshield protection? Well, definitely you will need it. You need that extra layer of protection to your windshield. This acts as a barrier against all those unwanted debris, right? So windshield protection film helps guard your windshield against rock chips, road debris, harsh weather, and environmental elements. Cracks that can lead to the costly windshield replacement. By protecting the glass, you can extend the life of your windshield and keep your vehicle looking its best. Alright guys, so this is the product right here. This product called Windcrest from Ultrafit is probably the best product in the market today. So this is going to be applied on top of the windshield to add that layer of protection. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed the remaining part of our video. This is the entire process of windshield protection film. Alright, if you are a first time visitor to this channel, welcome to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Alright, from here, I'm just gonna leave you with the upbeat music. It's already protected. This windshield is protected. All right, folks, that concludes our video for today. I just want to say thank you everyone for having me here. And until then, I wish you have a best day on that side. Right, bye bye for now. See you.